Hi, I am Matt.
Amin,
Adam, Surya,
And I am teacher Nadira, and we are from
SMK Tun Habab.
We have noticed that in our community, there's still a lot of people that don't know what to do with used paper.
Hey Amin, what are you doing? The teacher told me to throw the paper out.
Throw?
Oh,
It's such a waste. What if we reuse them and turn them into paper-based product?
Hey, that's a good idea.
is it even possible?
It's possible.
It's possible.
Well, the first step is the collected papers will be put into a container with ultrasonic sensor.
Next, the paper will be shredded at the shredded section. Then, at the mixer section, the paper will be mixed with water and a water-based eco-friendly solution. We use the humidity and acidic sensors to make sure that the mixture is perfect. The result is a machine mixture known as pulp.
The final step is, once the moisture has been removed, the pulp is sent to the mold. From there, it can be produced into paper-based product.